Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore products that promise real results for your hair and beauty needs. Have you ever felt frustrated with hair that feels dry, weak, or just refuses to grow thick and healthy? If so, you're not alone. And that's exactly why I wanted to look at the PURA Hair Thinning Therapy Intense Moisturizing Biotin Masque. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on future reviews and beauty tips. This hair mask comes in an 8-pack, totaling 9.6 ounces, and is formulated for both men and women. It's designed to provide deep hydration to the scalp and hair using aloe vera and argan oil, helping to combat dryness. The mask also includes caffeine and catalase, along with a blend of 15 active ingredients aimed at reducing hair thinning, shedding, and breakage while stimulating follicles for stronger, fuller hair. Essentially, it promises to repair dull, dry, and damaged hair while making styling easier. In terms of real-world use, I incorporated this mask into my weekly hair care routine. The texture is rich and creamy, gliding smoothly through the hair without feeling heavy or greasy. After leaving it on for the recommended time, my hair felt noticeably softer and more hydrated. The frizz was reduced, and it definitely made styling more manageable, whether I was air drying or using heat tools. For men reviewing this product, my husband tried it on his hair, which is thinner and more prone to shedding, and he also noticed an improvement in thickness and overall hair health. One of the strengths of this mask is its multi-targeted approach: hydration, hair repair, and follicle stimulation all in one. It feels luxurious and provides that salon-like deep conditioning experience at home. On the downside, because of the richness, it can feel slightly heavy if you apply too much or leave it on longer than instructed. The scent is pleasant but slightly herbal, which might not appeal to everyone. When evaluating value for money, the 8-pack format is convenient, especially considering the professional-grade ingredients like biotin, caffeine, and catalase. While it's not the cheapest hair mask on the market, the combination of hydration and hair thickening benefits makes it a solid investment for those struggling with thinning or damaged hair. Compared to other masks, like those that focus solely on hydration, this one stands out for addressing multiple hair concerns simultaneously. The packaging is functional, though simple, and the product itself has a long shelf life when stored properly. After repeated use, the hair mask maintained its texture and effectiveness, so durability isn't an issue. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. While I haven't interacted directly with PURA's customer support, the brand is generally known for responsiveness and quality service. If you're considering a budget-friendly alternative, masks like Shea Moisture's Strengthen and Restore Hair Mask offer some hydration and repair, but they don't include the same extensive blend targeting hair thinning. Overall, the PURA Hair Thinning Therapy Biotin Masque delivers on its promises for deep hydration, hair repair, and reduced breakage. It's particularly suited for anyone experiencing thinning hair or dryness, and for men, my husband's results confirm its efficacy across hair for someone seeking it may not be for someone seeking but for those serious about improving hair health, it's a strong contender. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase the product can be found in the comments or description box below. If you've used this mask, drop a comment and let us know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.